Unveiling the Deep, a 2.5-minute dive into the Mariana Trench, calling all ocean enthusiasts. Today we're submerging into the Mariana Trench, the deepest point on Earth. Imagine a place deeper than Mount Everest is tall. For decades, this extreme abyss remained a mystery, shrouded in darkness and immense pressure. But recently, a team of intrepid scientists ventured down in a specially designed submersible vehicle, and what they discovered is nothing short of extraordinary. Welcome to the Twilight Zone, a world teeming with life, unlike anything found on the surface. Here, bioluminescent creatures illuminate the inky darkness. Look at these mesmerizing anglerfish, luring unsuspecting prey with their glowing lights. But the real star of the show might be this incredible new discovery, the vampire squid, Vampyroteuthis infernalis, also known as the spook squid, with its translucent, red cape-like fins, is unlike anything we've ever seen before. Scientists are eager to learn more about its adaptations, such as its bioluminescent organs that emit a faint, blue-red light, and how it thrives in this extreme environment with crushing pressure and eternal darkness. This groundbreaking expedition isn't just about finding cool creatures. By studying these deep-sea dwellers and their remarkable adaptations to the crushing pressure and darkness, scientists can unlock valuable insights. These findings could even have implications for fields like medicine and bioengineering, helping us understand how life can survive in the most challenging conditions. Sadly, the wonders of the Mariana Trench face serious threats. Pollution from plastic waste and the effects of climate change are reaching even these remote depths. It's crucial to protect our oceans and the incredible life they support. The good news? Many amazing organizations are dedicated to ocean conservation. By supporting these groups and making conscious choices in our daily lives, we can help ensure that the Mariana Trench and its incredible inhabitants remain a mystery worth exploring. The Mariana Trench is a powerful reminder of the vastness and mystery of our planet. What other secrets lie hidden beneath the waves? The future of ocean exploration is bright, and we can't wait to see what incredible discoveries await. Let us know in the comments below. What aspects of the deep sea fascinate you the most? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more aquatic adventures.